Marquee tool is the basic selection tool that can select your Photoshop layer in several shapes. Marquee tool in Photoshop, like rectangle, ellipse, single pixel vertical and horizontal line, square, and circle, etc. On the top left corner in Photoshop we have some options with related selections. Number 1. New selection. This is a default selection mode after pick any selection tool. Number 2. Add to selection. After selecting this option, you can add a new selection to your previous selection. The shortcut for this option is Shift keys on the keyboard. Number 3. Subtract from previous selection. After selecting this option, you can subtract a new selection from your previous selection. The shortcut for this option is Alt keys on the keyboard. Number 4. Intersection of previous and new selection. The shortcut for this option is Alt plus Shift keys on the keyboard. Square. Marquee tool is able to make a square-shaped selection on the image layer. If you press Shift while making a rectangular selection, it will make a square-shaped selection. After make the selection, we can add background color and foreground color in the selection. Let's take an image. Take rectangular marquee tool. I want to cut this rectangular wooden piece from the wall. After the selection, move cursor on the selection and press hold Ctrl key on the keyboard for cut the selection. We can also take a copy of their current selection. Press Ctrl J on keyboard for taking copy of the selection. You can change to another variant of the marquee tool according to your needs. We can make all selection with marquee tool. I hope you enjoy this class and make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you.